morning, Sammy. I'm gonna go outside just in case my mom comes. If my mom comes, tell her I'm outside. Okay, good night. Bye, Sammy. Let me turn off this TV. I want to see if... Okay, I need a TV. Turn off my TV. Power off. Okay, now let's go to school. But first, I'm gonna go get some ice cream. Let's go get some ice cream. Whoa, there's like a tile up here. I got my paycheck. This is like really weird. I hope people don't think I'm a boy. Oh well, I'll face it. Everybody does that to me. Anyways. Whoa. This is... okay. Well, I'm gonna go to school. I might go get some roller skates on. Cause, like, that is, like, the greatest thing. So, I guess we're just gonna hurry up and go see... Actually, now... I'll go to school first because, like... Who doesn't like school? Like, obviously I'm the nerd at school, so I love it. Well, what in the plaza? It is in the plaza... No, it's in the town, I think. Okay. Okay, let's walk backwards for once. I'm a savage. Oh wait, whoops. Dang it. I didn't walk backwards. So there's this boy in my class. His name's Alex. Like, I think he's really cute. And, I'm gonna see if he, like, likes me or not. So yeah. Oh, I'm late. Oh no, I'm late. You guys, I'm the new kid. Oh. Hello guys, I'm the new kid. I love laughing. Like, laughing is my favorite sound. I'm gonna, Hi, Alex. Oh, Alex. Oh. Hi. Are you new here?
No, I've been here.
Okay.
For like 2 weeks. The school sucks.
It does.
I know. I have to talk. I have to listen to the teacher. I wish we had a recess, but we don't.
I'm pretty sure we will have recess.
No, we don't. In the school, we don't have recess. We only go get some pizza.
Let's go to the ice cream store. Come on, I'll buy you a cone.
Dang. Stupid cops. And who put that chair there?
The teacher, of course.
I was like the teacher. The teacher be rude to me. But can I get some donuts
Actually,
first?
yeah, let's go to the coffee store first.
Yeah, let's get an apple thing.
Okay.
I'm gonna work for you.
I'm good. I can myself.
I want a donut.
Of course, I'm gonna get a donut. Bye bye. See you around.
Wait up. My next stop is the ice cream store.
I'm gonna go put my roller skates on because I think that would be a good idea. Let's go to my toys in my backpack right here. What? While we eat. Whoa.
You buy those. Hey, how much were those? Huh?
They were $300. My mom bought them. Bye bye.
Oh, come on, let go.
I don't want to go with you. I'm sorry. Even though I like you, I don't want to come. I have to go home.
Bye, I'm waiting for someone. I'll buy some for me. And some pizza.
You know, I'm gonna go fishing. Actually, yeah, I'm trying to go fishing.
Okay.
If I suck at it, then no.
Yeah, at least I'm not ice cream on my mushroom. No. Vanilla.
Okay, I can just not do this anymore. I'm just gonna go home.
Okay, next is chocolate.
I wish I had a mommy. Just kidding, my mommy's at home. Sleep, I guess. I don't know. Or unless she's not home. I think Sammy's not home.
Okay.
My mommy says Sammy stays home all day, so yeah.
Now,
Let's see if my mommy's home. Where is my home? Is my home? Okay, my home is right there. I forgot I had a red pole. I don't think anybody sees that besides me. I don't know. Lights. Whoa, okay, well, I wish Sammy was home. There's a lot of boys in my neighborhood, but some of them are really bad. So yeah.
No,
Oh my god. Wow.